Dr. Laura Johnson from Yellow Brick Physical Therapy in Boulder, Colorado. Hopefully you've watched the introduction on how to best use the TheraCane. Today, or here, we're going to dive into the neck a little bit, and I want to show you several ways to help your neck. So you can use it with this curved portion coming onto the back side of your neck. And then once again, we want to use the leverage of the tool so you can relax your hands as part of the leverage. Another way, take that tool this way, so you're using one of the nubs here in the middle and placing that behind you using the weight of your hands. You can also take your one hand in front to the curve area and even lean your neck back into the pressure. Now you can come on the side, the right or left side of center, and you can work your way up or down the right or left side of center, going from all the way at the base of your skull down left of center, or the right side of your skull down. And I encourage you to hold pressure for about 3 minutes or so, feeling for a release in the area rather than moving around a lot. So I'm showing you some examples, but once you find a place you want to hold and allow it to release, we get to go a little deeper and get more full recovery or releasing that way. Another way you can use it is turning the TheraCane upside down using one of these long parts and bringing it in this way, using your hands as leverage on these different parts that stand out. And then another way that I would use, so I'm going to show you some things I would, based upon what I do with people clinically, is the front side of the neck gets neglected quite a bit. So you can bring that in and apply pressure on the front side of the muscle. So you'd be along the side of, not on your throat or trachea, you'd be along the side, and be very careful if when in doubt, don't go there. But the front side tends to get short and tight if your posture is coming forward and your neck's coming forward, and it creates a lot of nerve, a lot of nerve pinching, which can create problems down into the arms and hands, even in your head, neck, and face. So that's an important area too. So those are some ways you can help your neck on your own. If you have any questions or if you have things that are lingering that you're not sure about, please reach out or comment, and I'd be happy to help.